So this next grinder fired at you twice before you ever touched the button. And you're still about to tell people it might be the best flake grinder in the whole batch. Make that make sense for me.
Yeah, I mean, I tried, and he tried to fire at me a couple times, and I was just trying to unbox him. That's it.
Twice, just for opening the box. Okay, so what is this thing officially?
So this is the Wonmake salt and pepper electric grinder, and it has 6 different levels of grind, and it has an LED on it, and it even has a handle.
A handle. We'll get to the handle. First, the crime scene. Fired at you twice. Walk me through it. Why does that happen with this one?
Well, I think the reason why it happens on this one is because the button itself is flush with the rest of the grinder. And the way that the button is laid out on the grinder itself, it's at like a natural position that you will naturally go ahead and want to hit it. But all I was doing was just unwrapping the bubble wrap from it, and it started to fire.
And here's the flip that I can't get over. With a trigger that jumpy, you're still calling it maybe the best red pepper flake grinder you tested. Defend that.
Yeah, no, it was hands down. And I mean, I tested like 5 other grinders. So here's my suggestion. Well, one, everyone asks me if they can use these with spices. And so I thought, let's try it with red pepper flakes. So, yes, this does amazing at grinding those red pepper flakes. Put it on fine and they'll stay in. Just be mindful that you don't want to have it too high because the red pepper flakes will come out. But yes, this was the best one at doing red pepper flakes.
So it's got 6 levels on that dial. Are those real steps, or is that just decoration?
Good question. Well, I'm going to say a little bit of both. So there's between the fine to the medium, there isn't really a lot of difference. On fine, you're not going to get too much out. So it's almost like an off button. I would say between fine and medium, you're going to have about 3 times the level. And then once you get to coarse, then you're looking more at 5 times.
And refilling this one. Quick answer. How's it load?
So the way that it loads is you actually will open it up and you'll remove the bottom of it from the top and you load it that way. It has a locking feature and it's really easy to unlock and lock it just with a twist.
And the lights on this one, how are they?
Very bright, very bright. In fact, I had to take a few times trying to actually record the that test because it kept changing the white balance of my camera. It's very bright.
A grind light so bright it fought your camera. That's a first. Okay. The handle. You have to explain the handle to me.
Honestly, and there isn't much to talk about. So the listing will talk about it being a feature that is like like a big selling point. I find the handle pretty useless, only because it's on the charging base, and the majority of people are going to leave this charging base on the counter. They're not really going to be moving it around. So while the handle exists, I don't think it's really that necessary.
The handle exists. It's not necessary. Beautiful. Last practical one. Cleaning it. How do you clean this thing without killing it?
Good question. Well, actually, the base will detach. Again, almost like you are going to fill it. You open it, and then that way you can clean just the base of it. It does come with a brush. You just go in there with the brush to get out what's there, and perfect. So it's not something I would put through the dishwasher at all whatsoever. But the handle of it, where the button is, that's where the main mechanism lives. So take that for what it's worth.
All right, I'm going quiet. Verdict's yours.
So here's my verdict. My verdict is I like this. I do like how easy it is to fill it. I love the fact that it works with not just a rock salt, not just peppercorns, but also red pepper flakes. I think it did a fantastic job with the red pepper flakes. So if you are looking for something that's easy to use, is going to work, is going to look great on your counter, and is going to be super easy to fill and empty, then my recommendation is picking this Wonmake up.